By the Baroque period, composers had devised one staff for higher notes and one for lower notes. They decided notes written on the fourth line of the staff for lower notes would be called F. So they wrote the letter F with its horizontal lines above and below the fourth line. Over time, the F became stylized and the horizontal lines became two dots on either side of the fourth line. They called it the F clef because clef is the ancient French word for key. By writing F on the fourth line, it gives us the key to working out all of the other notes. We call it the bass clef from the Latin bassus, meaning low. So, if we know the key to the bass clef is that notes on the fourth line are F and we know the musical alphabet, we can work out the names of the other lines and spaces. Moving up in pitch from F, the next space is G, and so on, ascending in pitch. Moving down in pitch from F, we just go backwards through the musical alphabet. For as long as anyone can remember, music teachers have passed on this mnemonic, or similar, to help students remember the names of the notes on the bass staff.